Cash Building System Unlimited. Everybody keep asking me to make a video on how I'm making money through the mail. So I'm going to show y'all how everything works. I made a video before, but I'm going to make another one. And I'm going to show y'all payment proof right here. I'm going to open up these at the end of the video, so stick around. How this whole program works. It's only $50 to get started. When you get started, JD Marketing is going to send you a package. The package is going to have 200 postcards, 200 leads, names, addresses to send postcards to. You have to pay for your own stamps. We have a cheap website that we get our stamps from. And you just mail off the postcards. Now, me, personally, I don't only mail the postcards. I promote on social media, all my social media accounts. I also have something called drop cards right here. How the drop cards work, on one side of the card is a $100 bill. Just drop it down. Somebody see the $100 bill, they pick it up, and it promotes the opportunity on the back of the card. So what you want to do to make money in this program, first you want to stay consistent. Make sure you're sending off at least 500 postcards a week. Second, make sure you're promoting on social media. Third, you need to upgrade. Upgrade right away. As soon as you get your package, try to upgrade as soon as possible so you can make more money. Now, once you upgrade, he'll send you additional 200 more postcards and leads for free. This is how the levels work. Right now, I'm currently on level 3. It's a $1,000 level, so I can make $700 for every time someone signs up to my level. So if they sign up on level 1, I can get 70. Level 2, 350. Level 3, 700. My sponsor get $200. So once you sign people up, you become their sponsor, you'll be in position 2, which means you can make money off other people as well. So there's multiple ways to make money with this program. Welcome package just like this. He'll show you how the whole program works, how to get started, the mail, where you're supposed to mail it to them to get your postcards and leads, spill on over bonus, upgrade bonuses. He'll explain everything in the welcome package. All right, so let's open the first one. Open up the second one. It's a check. Check for $350. Put that right there. Let's open up the third one. $55. Let's get it. Alright, so this program is only for the United States only. And I'm going to leave it in the description below the link to sign up. So you guys, if you want to get started there, you can get started as soon as possible. It's only $50 to get started. And I will also leave my Facebook in the description below, so you guys can add me on Facebook. I can add you guys to our private Facebook group. In the meanwhile, like, subscribe, comment. Let's go.